Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start exercise 6.1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is find the HCF of the following by division. And the part 1 is x square minus x minus 6 and x square minus 2x minus 3. In solution, first of all, we let the first term as p of x and second one as q of x. Now we will divide the two terms and find the HCF of the two statements. For that, we have to make the one term as divisor and second one as dividend. Now to decide that which term should be the dividend or divisor, you will check the degree of the two terms, that is the highest power. Degree means the highest power. If the highest power in the one case is greater, that will be your dividend. But if in both the cases the degree is same, then you can take any of the term as divisor or dividend. Now in our case, the highest power or the degree is same, that is the first one is having x square minus x minus 6. In that case the degree is 2, and in the second case also the degree is 2. So we can take any of the term as divisor and the second one as dividend. So we take this one as divisor and this term as dividend. Now dividing x square minus 2x minus 3 by x square minus x minus 6. We start with 1 because the degree is same. When we multiply x square minus x minus 6 by 1, we get x square minus x minus 6. Now next step in the division is you will change the sign of these terms. So this is having a positive sign, it will become minus. This is having a minus sign, it will become plus. This is also having a minus sign, this will become plus. Now this x square is cancelled out with this minus x square, minus 2x plus x. Now this is plus x. Minus 2x plus x gives us minus x because 2x minus x is equals to minus x, and sign of the greater term is kept with the answer. Similarly, 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Now we get minus x plus 3. In this step, you will check two things, that if the first term is having a minus sign before it, and secondly, if there is a common member present in this statement. Now there is no common member, but the first term is having a negative sign before it. Whenever the first term is having a negative sign before it, we will take minus 1 common and divide it by minus 1 to remove this negative sign. We will take minus 1 common and divide it by minus 1. So when we take minus 1 common and divide it by minus 1, from this statement we are left with x minus 3. After taking minus 1 common, this becomes x and this becomes minus 3. Now this is x minus 3. This is our new divisor. The dividend will be the previous divisor, that is x square minus x minus 6. We will take it as dividend x square minus x minus 6, and divisor is this term x minus 3. Now when we multiply x minus 3 to x to get x square, we get x square minus 3x. And the next step is to change the signs. When we change the signs, this x square is cancelled with minus x square, and after solving this 3x and x plus 3x minus x, it becomes 2x, and this is minus 6. Now the new result is 2x minus 6. Again we will check that whether there is a negative sign before the first term or there is any common term. There is no negative sign, but there is a common member, that is 2. So we will take 2 common and divide it by 2. Taking 2 common and dividing it by 2, we get from this, when we take 2 common and divide it by 2, we get 2 into x minus 3, because 2, when we take 2 common, we are left with x in the first term. In the second term, it becomes 2 into 3, 6. It becomes 3. It becomes x minus 3. Now this is the new divisor, x minus 3. The dividend will be previous divisor, that was x minus 3. That was also x minus 3. So x minus 3 into x minus 3, this is the new dividend. Now x minus 3 into 1 is x minus 3. When we change the sign, this x is cancelled with minus x and minus 3 is cancelled with plus 3. So we are left with 0 remainder. So this is the final result, and the HCF will be the last divisor. But that was our last divisor. Last divisor was x minus 3. So HCF of the term is x minus 3.